Hello, this is mbevia. In this video I will be making a historic pink ground or imprimatura that was very popular for landscape painting during the 15th to 19th century. The term imprimatura stems from Italian and it literally means first paint layer. It is a layer that is applied all over the painting surface and can play an important role in the unity and color harmony of a painting. This soft creamy pinkish imprimatura was very popular for landscape painting during the 18th and 19th century, as seen in this example by French artist Pierre-Étienne Chaupin. In this cloud study by Thomas Cole, you can clearly see the light pinkish imprimatura showing through the paint layers. The pinkish toned ground helped in depicting atmospheric ambience and aerial perspective in landscape painting. Artists will paint thin over the pinkish ground, and in many places the pink color ground serves as a mid-tone and help to enhance desirable effects when painting clouds, distant mountains, water, and vegetation. I will show the steps of how I create the pink imprimatura, and I'll also provide more examples of old master paintings with pink grounds. In this painting by Veronese titled Allegory of Wisdom and Strength from 1565, the light pink ground is composed mainly of lead white with vermilion and some red lead particles. In this painting by Sir Peter Lely dating 1650 entitled Simon and Iphigenia, the pink-gray ground is composed of lead white, charcoal black, and red earth. Here's what I will use to make my creamy pink imprimatura. Fine charcoal, vermilion, lead white, and walnut oil. You can substitute vermilion with red earth or cadmium red, and lead white with titanium white. First I will make powdered vine charcoal. Many old master imprimatura show coarse particles of vine charcoal or carbon black. Here you can see the coarse black pigment particles. Adding black is optional. Some old master pink grounds show black pigments, others don't. I personally like to add a little black pigment to give my imprimatura a cooler gray pink color. I will add just a few drops of walnut oil to bind the vine charcoal powder into paint. You can also use any black oil paint from your favorite brand. In this painting you can see the pink imprimatura is somewhat pink gray, so pink grounds can range from pinkish gray to pink to orangey pink. This is really up to you. I will use vermilion pigment as my red to create the light pink color. Analysis shows that old masters use vermilion, red lead, or red earth to create the pink color grounds. You can substitute vermilion or red lead with cadmium red. You may also add yellow pigment to make the pink imprimatura somewhat orangey and warmer. In this painting titled The Oxbow by Thomas Cole used lead white, vermilion, and chrome yellow to get a warm orangey pinkish ground. So you may add a little yellow to make the imprimatura a pinkish orange, but it is important to keep it light and creamy, like in this English landscape study by artist David Smirnoff. Now I will add white to my palette. I could grind lead white, but since I have a tube of lead white I will just use that. You can substitute lead white with titanium white. What will be the main ingredient to make the creamy pink tint or tone? Now I will start adding black and red into the white to make my pink color. I start adding little black and red to the white so that I don't get the Imprimatura value too dark and end up having to add more white later. I am looking for a light halftone value. I keep adding more red and black until I get the desired color and value. Once I'm happy with the hue and value, I will start priming my panel. I will be using a soft sable brush to add the Imprimatura layer to my panel. Now I add a little turpentine to make the paint a little more fluid. I apply my Imprimatura in horizontal strokes. I continue to apply the paint somewhat thinly and transparent so that the luminous white ground shows through the Imprimatura. The panel should be completely dry and ready to be painted on within 1 to 2 weeks. I can already sense the atmospheric effects of the pinkish gray Imprimatura. I am very excited to start painting on this pinkish ground. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos. Thank you again.